Honor Magic 7 Pro. This device came with a 100-watt charger. Fingerprint sensor, fast, 120 Hz. This is a Chinese version, so instead of Google News on the left, we do have them in the app. That looks smooth to me. Very nice. Languages. Most of the European languages are available. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, one of the most powerful in the market. Well, check out the benchmarks. Wow. Also internal memory. Such a huge numbers. And if you want to compare to Galaxy S24, the distance is vast. What does that all mean? It means gaming. But not any gaming. You can have 2 games at the same time. How crazy is that? But would you really play 2 games at the same time? Quite difficult. So let me switch to another one. Just Call of Duty. Works smooth to me. Very, very smooth. Switching back to Asphalt. That's Asphalt 9. Also very cool game. A lot of fun. Gaming. Banks, they all works. Google Payment, also available. Camera. And in the camera department, we do have a moving aperture if you wanted to, but in the real life, it doesn't make any difference at all. It is wide, 4K 60, great colors, also in daylight, with zoom, such a quality, and very, very stable. What does it mean? It means wide angle, stable footage, great for vlogging and, yeah, vlogging basically. What else would you do? Front-facing camera, also 4K 60, quite good. Pictures in a wide-angle lens are a little distorted, but that's very useful when you're in a tight space and you have a big objects in front of you. I'm going to leave you with those pictures and we'll come back to you in a second.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my lies. Didn't get to solve it this time. I won't hide to break apart. Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn.
Instant video, instant movie. It will create a small video movie for you, which is definitely with some copyright sound and I don't know. It's weird and unnecessary. Let's continue. My eraser is brilliant. For example, we can erase something or someone. It's gone. Also, part of the vehicle is gone. AI outgo, so it will add the rest of, it will rest something to your photo. Out painting, it will open. Oh wow, that's impressive. In life, it's hard to say because I'm using those smartphones very different than any. Conclusion, this could be one of the best smartphones in the world. Very powerful, tremendously loud and clean speakers, great screen, but that notch, or whatever you want to call it, capsule, it's too big. It's unnecessary. AI, well, most of the AI is gimmick. I think the best feature in any smartphone, AI smartphone, is the eraser. Quite useful. Everything else just, you really don't need it. Well, there you go. Honor 7. Link in the description with a great price and additional discount for you. Worldwide shipping. See you next video. Bye.